To make a Webull cash account, you first need to download and install the Webull mobile app or access the Webull website. Once you have the app or website open, tap or click on the Sign Up button to begin the registration process. You will be asked to provide some basic information such as your name, email address, and phone number. After submitting this information, you will receive a verification code via email or text message, which you must enter to verify your account. Next, you will need to provide some personal and financial information, including your social security number, address, and employment status. This information is required to comply with regulatory requirements and to help Webull verify your identity. After providing the necessary information, you will be asked to fund your account. You can do this by linking your bank account or by depositing money directly into your Webull account. It is essential to note that Webull offers a cash account, which allows you to trade with settled funds and does not require a margin account. To set up a cash account, you must ensure that you have sufficient funds in your account to cover the cost of any trades you wish to make. You can use the Webull app or website to monitor your account balance and to make trades. It is also crucial to understand the fees associated with a Webull cash account. Webull does not charge commission fees for trading stocks, options, or ETFs, but you may be subject to regulatory fees and other charges. In conclusion, making a Webull cash account is a straightforward process that requires you to provide some personal and financial information, verify your account, and fund your account. By following these steps and understanding the key concepts and best practices, you can start trading with a Webull cash account and take advantage of the platform's features and benefits.